Ever wondered how your favorite snack potato chips are made? I mean, we all love that satisfying crunch and burst of flavor, but have you ever stopped mid-bite and pondered the journey from spud to snack? Well, my curious compadres, today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of potato chip manufacturing. Let's take a crunchy journey through the process. Our adventure begins not in some gleaming factory, but out in the field, amongst the humble potato plants. Here, in the rich, fertile soil, the journey of the perfect chip starts. It's a place where nature and nurture come together to create something truly special. See, not just any potato will do for a proper chip. The selection process is meticulous, almost an art form. Farmers and experts alike know that the right potato can make all the difference. We're looking for specific varieties, high in starch, low in sugar, the kind that'll fry up light and crisp, not soggy and sad. These potatoes are carefully cultivated to meet these exacting standards. These potato scouts, they got an eye for quality, selecting only the plumpest, healthiest spuds for the journey ahead. Their expertise ensures that only the best potatoes make the cut. It's all about the raw ingredients, folks, the foundation upon which chip-tastic dreams are built. From the field to your plate, every step of the process is crucial. The journey of a chip is a testament to the dedication and passion of those who grow and select these remarkable potatoes. Fresh from the field, our spuds are ready for a spa day, or at least the potato equivalent. We're talking industrial strength washing and peeling here, folks. Conveyor belts whisk these tubers through a series of high-pressure washes, removing any lingering dirt or debris. Next up, it's onto the peelers, where rotating blades gently remove the skin, ensuring a smooth, uniform surface for optimal chipification. Now things start to get really interesting. The clean and peeled potatoes are loaded into automatic slicers, precision instruments designed to create those perfectly thin, uniformly sized chips we all know and love. We're talking fractions of an inch here, people, a delicate dance between too thick and too thin. These slices then take a little tumble, a quick rinse to remove excess starch before embarking on the next leg of their transformation. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get hot. We're entering the heart of the chip-making process, where precision and timing are everything. The potato slices now take a dip in a bath of hot oil, specially chosen for its neutral flavor and high smoke point. This oil is heated to the perfect temperature to ensure each slice is cooked evenly and thoroughly. This is where the magic truly happens, the transformation from pale slice to golden crisp. The slices begin to turn a beautiful golden brown, indicating that they're reaching the perfect level of doneness. As they bubble away, the heat forces moisture out of the potato, converting starches into sugars, creating that signature crunch and subtly sweet flavor we crave. The bubbling oil and rising steam are signs that the chips are almost ready to be enjoyed. Each chip is a testament to the careful balance of heat and timing, ensuring that every bite is as satisfying as the last. Fresh from the fryer, our chips are still piping hot, sizzling with that irresistible golden crispness. You can almost hear the crunch as they cool down just a bit, ready to be transformed into the perfect snack, and ready for their final act, flavor. This is where the magic happens, where each chip gets its unique personality. This is where things get personal, folks. From classic sea salt to tangy vinegar, fiery chili powder to cheesy goodness, the possibilities are endless. Each seasoning is carefully crafted to bring out the best in every chip. Conveyor belts carry the chips through a shower of seasonings, a mesmerizing dance of flavors cascading down, ensuring each one gets a generous and even coating. No chip is left behind in this flavorful journey. And finally, they're inspected one last time, any imperfections plucked away with precision and care before being whisked off to packaging. Each bag is filled with the perfect blend of crunch and flavor, ready to delight snack lovers everywhere. And there you have it. From fresh potatoes to the crunchy delight in your hands, that's how potato chips are made. We've journeyed from field to factory, witnessed the transformation from humble spud to crispy snack. So next time you tear open a bag of chips, take a moment to appreciate the science, the ingenuity, the sheer deliciousness of it all. Enjoy your snack. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.